Welcome to Pratibha online classes. Already we started history part in 10th class. The world between wars. The period was 1900 to 1950. Today we are going to learn about the causes of the two world wars. Before going to learn, just you have to go through once Europe outline map. Now this is Europe outline map, North Arctic Ocean and East Ural Mountains. Ural Mountains, land boundary between the Asia continent and Europe continent, then West Atlantic Ocean, then South Mediterranean Sea. Now see, Portugal, Spain, France, see now Germany and Britain. You know, industrial revolution started Britain, Germany, from Germany to east Poland and Germany to south Austria, Austria to east Serbia. Germany, Austria, Poland, these countries played important role in the world wars. Now, causes of the two world wars. The world wars had two types of causes. First one, immediate provocations. Second one, long-term causes. Now, immediate provocations. What was the immediate provocations? Austria Prince Ferdinand, France, Archduke. He was martyred by Serbia fanatic. Fanatic means a terrorist. Serbia fanatic. 1914. June 28th. So, Austria, that's why Austria declared the war on the Serbia 1914 July 28th. Then the war started between two countries only. First, Austria, Serbia. Then France, Britain, Russia. Serbia got the support from the France, Britain, Russia. They were joined along with Serbia. And soon after, Austria got the support. Germany, Italy. These two countries also joined on the side of Austria. Actually started Austria, Serbia. But these France, Britain, Russia supported to Serbia. Germany, Italy supported to Austria. The World War started in 1914, July 28th. This is only immediate provocation, immediate cause. Then, immediate provocation of Second World War. Immediate provocation of Second World War. What was the period of Second World War? September 1st started. 1939 to 1945. Here, the Germany dictator, 1933, Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany. Then, Hitler invaded the Poland. September 1st, Hitler driving the tanks on the Poland. The Hitler thought that this was a small military action, but became big war. Why? Because Hitler invaded for Danzig port. Danzig port. Before that, Germany was divided small territories, and small territories were under the control of the other countries. Then the Hitler given the slogan to the German people. He says that German race only superior race in the world. Superior race in the world. We have to rule the world. Inspired people, German people by the Hitler. So he invaded for Danzig port. This was the immediate provocation of the Second World War. Long-term causes of the two world wars. Aggressive nationalism. This is the first long-term causes. Aggressive nationalism, a feeling of superiority complex, especially Italy and German people. There is only great race in the world by the experts of dictators. From Italy, Mussolini, from Germany, Hitler. They hated to others, means other countries, other nations. And unification of Germany and Italy, they got that aggressive nationalism feeling. In 1923, Nazis, Mussolini, Nazism, Nazi ideologies, he introduced that in Italy. Through the ideologies, they got the aggressive nationalism. Then, imperialism. Industrial revolution started in the Europe continent, especially England. Before that, the machine-made goods, before that the man-made goods, after that the machine-made goods. Through the machines they produce more goods, after that they search for markets. In the part of that one, they established the colonies in the Africa and Asia continent. Industrially developed countries established the colonies for raw materials, for market purpose only. Then, new industrial powers, Japan, Germany. Before that, they had no colonies. They don't have colonies. They didn't establish the colonies because they developed slowly. That's why new industrial powers industrial developed countries, Japan, Germany. They demanded redistributed colonies. Then, next one, secret alliances, secret agreements, military agreements with other countries. Because of they got the fear by the other countries. In 1870, Bismarck made a secret alliance. 1879 with Austria, 1882 with Italy. After that, Triple Entente. Three countries agreed like one a group. Triple Entente in 1907, Russia, France, Britain. Russia, France, Britain. These three countries made Triple Entente. If any country got attacked from other countries, then automatically remaining two countries supported joining with that one by the military force. In the counter of Triple Entente, Triple Alliance, Germany, Austria, Italy. These three countries were one group that was called Triple Alliance. Triple Entente, Russia, France, Britain. The next one, militarism. Militarism is the policy of the belief that military might is the best way to ensure security and war is good way to solve any problem. They thought that war is good way to solve any problem. That's why they concentrate more, increase their military powers. The more money expenditure on the weapons increase the military powers. 6 big powers. After industrially, they got huge profits by the machine goods. Germany, Austria, Italy, France, Britain. These countries were 6 big powers during that period. They expend more money from the national income, 300%. Means $132 million to $397. They expend more money on the weapons. They are ready to attack other countries because of they got the fear. That's why they concentrate more. They increase the military force and nuclear weapons also.